how are you guys doing today? I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to the Philippines. Welcome back to the province house, the countryside life. I am so happy and excited. If you guys have watched Tom and Meljean channel, then you know already that we have landed here in the Philippines yesterday at night, and it was a total chaos. If you guys want to see the entire vlog, you can head to that channel. Right now, I am going to share with you guys a video where I bring or give the pasalubong to my family. Scarlett is here. Okay, do you want to say hi? Hi, guys. Wait, no. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys,
Welcome to my vlog.
your vlog.
Okay, Scarlett Boo is right here, everyone. So yeah, we're gonna give them the pasalubong. Okay, you're heavy. We're gonna give them the pasalubong. If you guys do not know, pasalubong is a customary for Filipinos wherein if you go outside of the Philippines, you bring something like gifts, anything, clothes, chocolates. Normally it's chocolates. Anything, food or souvenirs or shoes, whatever it is that you want to bring to your family. So yeah, right now it's gonna be very exciting because I got a few items for them. Not much, okay? I wish I could give them or bring them so much stuff, but it's not really a lot, but I know it's gonna make them happy. So yeah, we're gonna call mom and I'm gonna distribute the pasalubong. We just actually finished cleaning everything because the house was a total mess when we arrived in here. No one was living here for the last 2 months because dad is with my grandma to take care of her and he got a new job. And then mom obviously is in her house and my sister and fam is...
my toys.
Your toys? Let's see if you have toys. Look at these two. We went to the city today to get some supplies and they're still playing. Okay, are you guys ready to open?
Yes.
Yes? Oh, Nana is there as well. Hi, Nana. Okay, hold on. We have to, come here. You have to help me. You have to help me get first. Brownie is there. We have to bring if you guys have watched the video in Tom and Meljean, then you know that the luggage has been broken. I'm so sad about that, but it is what it is. We'll just have to handle what happened. Okay. Cebu Pacific. No, it's not even enough because this costs around 10,000 pesos.
I took the phone and said, no, you have to give 10.
Yeah. They said 5,000 pesos, but this costs 10,000 pesos. No, it's not because this is brand new. Okay, are you guys ready? Come here. Come here. Okay, open. Okay, so not yet. We're gonna start with Nana. Oh my gosh. This is for Nana. What is this? Shoes. That's right. And actually, we have to remove the box because we cannot bring the box in here. So, shoes for you.
Yay.
Okay, do you want to open it? Try to open it. Is it nice? She said it.
And I want to run.
Try it on first if it fits you because this is 37, I think. Yeah, I had to get a 37. Wait, what are you doing? Like this. Okay, try if it fits. Because mom and I has actually the same size. So I think it will fit.
Yeah.
Ah, that's...
Wow,
wait, that's
nice.
It's nice, right?
Yeah.
Right, give us a walk.
Give us a walk. Is it nice?
Nice.
Look at that. You look so legit now. Driving. Oh, that's Tito Tom. Alright, next is...
Thank you very much.
Oh my God, who is this for? Who is that for?
No.
I don't know. It's for Mama. Oh my gosh. Oh, try it on because that's size 38 and I know you said you're 39. And I told you I cannot return it anymore. Because it's no return, no exchange. I think it will fit. It will. Yeah? That's good. That's nice. It's very nice. Actually, I like that one. See? Okay, next. We have for tatay as well. Awa daw pa. Sulod ba nimo? Awa daw. This, another one for tatay as well. Wow. Look at that. It says Bangkok City. And we have another one for tatay. Look, another one. And, was that it? And we have, this is bros. Another one. Okay. We have, this is for Atan. Where's Atan? Tan. This is, give to Papa. Give to Papa. No, Pa, come here. This is for you. And this one is for Vic Vic. Try daw. Is it L?
Yeah.
I think it's L, yeah. Okay, and that's it. No more. No more.
Wala ka pangga di ay.
Lab-lab lang pangga, oy. Wala man palit, tita. Wala man kapalit si tita.
Don't cry.
Oh. Wala man kapalit si tita pangga, oy. Asa dabi ali lab-lab tita, tanaw na to kung naaba. Nakapalit ba si tita? Come here. Love. Oh my gosh, are you crying? Do you think... Are you crying? Do not cry. Okay, do you want to see yours? Okay, sit down. Sit down here. Here, sit down. Are you ready? Is mine. Oh, wow! And another one. Look! Ta-da! Okay. Wow! And then number 2. Oh! There's another one. Wow! And there's another one. Ta-da! There's so much, no? And and look at this. This is from Mami Leia. Say this one. Say thank you, Mami Leia. Say thank you, Mami Leia. Okay, ready? Wow! A nice dress. Say thank you, Mami.
Thank you, Mami.
Mami na lang.
Mami Lia ba? Thank you, Mami Lia.
Thank you, Mami Lia.
You're welcome. Oh, Mami Leia said you're welcome. And there's another one. Wow! Wow! Very good, Mandioy. And what else do we have in here? Okay, let's see. Oh! Oh my God! What is that? We have some chocolate.
Chocolate? Why, man?
Your teeth, right? And there is another one in here. Are you not? Are you not? Yeah. Okay. So, that was it. That's all of the pasalubong I have for the fam bam. And so we're just gonna give them some of the chocolates. That's mine. Mom saying, who is this for? This is nice, right? This is pretty pricey. This is the only gift I have for myself. And that was it. So we'll just give the chocolates and divide it to everybody. This is for bro and my twin. And that's it. And this one for Papa as well. Yeah, the dresses are nice. That's from Vietnam. Oh, you have 3, Mandy. Papa has 3. Another yellow. And Baba, this is for you. your coffee. Okay, you want some chocolate?
Divide it.
Okay, we'll divide the chocolate for everyone so they could try all of it. So yeah, this is what we do actually every time I go to the country, another country, guys. You have to bring pasalubong for everyone. So I have here Bro and my twin, and this one is Vingle and Lynn. So we'll meet them soon and we'll give them the little pasalubong I have. Yeah, I'm gonna isa. Ako am ning red. Okay, we'll give the chocolates. We need to have some bags. Lula, ikaw na chocolate. Pangga, how many dresses do you have? How many? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. You got 5 dresses from Tita. I know you're expecting toys, but we cannot bring toys. It's too big to bring. See, the luggage of Tita was broken. You don't eat chocolate, right? Me, you don't eat chocolate, right?
Is it nice? It's good.
Try. You want to try? And there's the other one. You want to try?
Links or not?
No, I don't think that's Lynn.
Plastic.
Ah, it's alright. That's the Italian chocolate, actually. Yeah, you can have it. You don't have plastic? Just use this one, me. This one. Oh, you want an umbrella? We had to buy umbrella in Bangkok because it was raining. So that's for Scarlett, okay? Because it's pink. It's for you, okay?
Wow!
Okay.
Ano ba? Biya sa school dito wala.
Oh, you don't have a bag to school? You're not going to school yet, right? Okay, that's it. Because we're gonna give to Bro, Vingle, and Lynn. Okay, that's it. Alright, this is what we do. Whatever you have, even if it's very little, we just share it to everyone so anyone doesn't cry. That's how Filipinos are. Sharing is caring. I have a broken luggage, so hopefully they could settle it out. If you guys know anyone from Cebu Pacific, please help us. You like the color? It's nice, right? I told you. I want to buy for myself because it's life and leisure, you see. It's nice. It's very lightweight as well. Gaan kayo, diba? So Papa got 3. Scarlett got 5. Wow! You got 5 dresses. Yeah, but that's very expensive. What are you talking about? Like sis as well. The shoes is expensive and these ones doesn't cost much. I was gonna buy you shoes, but I didn't know if it will fit you or not. There it is. Finally, we are home. And yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We just finished dinner. We actually had to go out to have dinner because we don't have any supplies. The supplies that we got today are just pretty much cleaning supplies since we had to do a really deep general cleaning here in the province house. It's actually not good to leave your house empty for 2 months because there's so much like stuff everywhere, dust, molds, even the car. So Ruby got molds everywhere. I don't know why. So we also have to bring Ruby to do a deep cleaning because the chair in the car has so much molds. So yeah, anyway, I'm quite happy that we are finally home. Home, sweet home. I miss the countryside. I miss the quietness, the peacefulness. Though we had to do a lot of things here in the house before I could do a house tour for you guys. I'm very excited for that. I know a lot of you would want to see that as well. So yeah, I just need to buy a few things so the house would not look so plain and white. I am going to give you guys a tour of how the house looks after being left for 2 months because it's a disaster. Like especially the outside. Oh my gosh, there's so much grass everywhere and you cannot even see the house anymore from the road because overgrown grass is accumulating the entire, area. The day after tomorrow, it's gonna be Sunday, so the fam bam is gonna help. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. This is just a really quick video. I just want to share with you that we are finally home. Yeah, the pasalubong segment as well. I think that was pretty fun. You see how my family are so happy, right? With just little things like that. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let let me know if you guys have any vlog suggestions here around the countryside. What do you want to see? I'm so open for that. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.